Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to use a Staad editor in Staad Pro. So it's a previous project. Just go to Staad Editor. What's the work of Staad Editor? With the help of Staad Editor, you can generate a model, you can make a model, you can apply load, you can apply all the supports, and you can also modify that particular support, load, or any other function property. So in this lecture, we will learn how to modify that particular property or support or load or any other geometry. Okay. So it's a geometry. In this geometry, I applied a property of column zero point 0.3 by zero point 0.3 and beam zero point 0.3 by zero point 0.2, right? And the supports are, all the supports are fixed support, and load is applied in the first beam as concentrated load 6 kilonewton meter, 6 kilonewton. On the second beam 8 kilonewton per meter UDL. On a top floor beam 5 kilonewton per meter UDL. Okay. Now go to Staad Editor. Just close this. Press Shift plus V to show intensity. Okay. Now you can verify all the data. Go to Staad Editor. I just want to change a property of that particular column from 0.3 by 0.3 to 0.4 by 0.4, right? Just go to Staad Editor, find out the property option, which is a member property. In that particular beams 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 to 15, 7 to 11, and then 15 to 18, the property is 0.3 by 0.3. Now just go to that particular property, delete the 0.3 and place 0.4. Second option also 0.4. Okay, now I changed that particular property from 0.3 to 0.4. For the beam, I want to replace the property from zero point 0.3 by 0.2 to 0.35 by 0.25, right? I want to change this property. Now you can save this with the save option and close the Staad Editor. Yes, look at this. It is changed from 3.3 by 0.3 to 0.4 by 0.4. Okay. The second option also 0.3 by 0.2 to 0.35 by 0.25. So it is very helpful for you. Now again go to a Staad Editor. I want to change the value of load from 6 kilonewton to 10 kilonewton, 8 kilonewton to 18 kilonewton, and 5 kilonewton to 15 kilonewton, right? Save this and close. Now go to the load and definition, load case detail. Look at all the data. All the data is replaced with new data, right? Like that you can change all that things. For the geometry, just open new project, create one beam from 0 to 3. Now I want to increase some length of that particular beam, right? Just go to Staad Editor, Look at this. There is a coordinate of this particular beam. First node is at 0, 0, 0 coordinate and the second node is at 3, 0, 0 coordinate. I want to increase the length of that particular beam from 3 meter to 5 meter. Just replace this 3 with 5. Right? Save and close. Now the coordinate is changed from 3 to 5 and the length of particular beam go to dimension and display. Look at this. The dimension is also changed from 3 meter to 5 meter. Okay. Now I want to change or create a beam next to that particular beam. Go to Staad Editor, 3 space 8 space 0 space 0. Close it. Save this option and close. Look at this. There is one new node is created. Now go to the add beam and add beam from the second node to third node. Like that you can use Staad Editor function to modify geometry, to modify property, support and load data, material data. In design also you will change all the data with the help of Staad Editor. In further lectures we will learn in detail Staad Editor with analysis and design part both. Okay, thanks for watching this.